Good morning, everyone. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. And I'm getting ready to go out. First, I want to watch Zumba in WTC Mall today. And then, I'm gonna meet my friend in Madinat Sayed. And after Madinat Sayed, we have a fellowship meeting today. I don't know the place where we gonna meet up with my CG group for the meeting. We have meeting today. And then after meeting, we'll go direct to the church for tonight church service. Where is my other? Enjoy your weekend, everyone. You know, this jacket is so hot. Outside is very cold. This jacket is very hot. See, I can remove this if the is not yet cold. Outside is very cold. There is no hood. This jacket. But this is good for the cold temperature. Especially in the US. The place there is snowy because it's hot inside. You see, when I wear it I feel hot. But I can wear my black jacket because the black jacket is not so hot. This is very hot. I think I need to change my jacket. Anyway guys, enjoy your weekend and before I just want to walk from here going to the place where I go today. From here the house going to WTC, watching Zumba, and after Zumba going to Madinat Sayed. I want to walk because I won't be able to go walking today for walking in the lake park or in the beach. I'm lazy to wake up early today. You see that my hair is always crumpled with my necklace. This necklace is almost broken because of my hair. That's why very seldom I wear this necklace. Almost broken because of I think I need to change my jacket. Very hot. I think I just wear this. So hot, the pink one. I feel very hot with the pink jacket. But it's good for the winter. Early for the winter. It's hot inside. Anyway guys, enjoy your weekend. See you later. Bye.